Children, let's learn some new words, 3-letter words.
We will come to this later. First, let's see how to pronounce these words.
Hello children, all of you know the sounds of these alphabets. Today we will revise. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says A, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M. Now what next? N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says A, V says V, W says W, X says X, Y says Y, Z says Z. Now we learn the sound of 2-letter words. See, what is this? A. A says A, T says T, A, T, at. Now next word is M. A says A, M says A, Next word is egg, egg. Next word is app, A and P, app. And another word is an. Thank you. What is this? At. Now we will learn some new words. See? B-A-T, bat. Next word is C-A-T, cat. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. R-A-T, rat. Now we will learn with A-N. And we will learn some words with an. Fan, F-A-N, fan. C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. T-A-N, tan. V-A-N, van. Now we will learn with A, P. First we will learn C-A-P, cap. Now next is G-A-P, gap. L-A-P, lap. M-A-P, map. N-A-P, nap. T-A-P, tap. Now we will learn A-M, am. H-A-M, ham. J-A-M, jam. L-A-M, lamb. M-A-M, ma'am. Next is A-G, ag. And first word is B-A-G, bag. N-A-G, nag. D-A-G, tag. Thank you.
Like, share, subscribe.